I'm as bored can be, and I can't take it anymore, man.
Hi, neighbor. It sure is a nice day. Hi, neighbor. It sure is a nice day.
What? Whoa. Meany's happy, friendly, and she isn't forcing me to do her yard work. What's wrong with her?
It sure is a nice day, neighbor. It sure is a nice day, neighbor.
Oh, man. I think Meany's been turned into a robot. Wally, give me those. Wally, buddy, you gotta help me. Meany's been replaced by a robot.
What?
It's just like those Space Invaders movies. First, they start by changing one. But soon, they take over the neighborhood and turn everyone into robots, man!
Yeah, I remember that movie. I couldn't sleep for a week.
Wally, you will become one of us!
I don't want to be a robot.
Then we've got to stop her. But how?
Water. If she's a robot, yeah, a spray of water will make her short-circuit all kaplooey.
Yeah.
But robot Meany needs is a Swedish car wash.
Okay, I'll go tell Meany we're gonna wash her car. Then I'll get her to show us how to open the hood. When I give you this signal, you turn on the water full blast.
Yeah, the signal.
Hi, neighbor.
Look, we want to wash your car for you, Meany.
That's a neighborly thing to do.
Work.
Yes, get to work, neighbor. You'll do a nice job, I'm certain, because it's such a nice day.
Why didn't it work?
Woody, the hose is... It was his idea. I didn't know it would go all kaplooey.
No problem, neighbor. It's nothing a little elbow grease can't fix. You'll need some sheet metal, a radiator, some primer, new tires. And while you're out, why don't you neighbors stop and have an ice cream on me?
Oh, robot.
We gotta get proof Meany's a robot. And a picture's worth 1,000 words. When I climb up and throw the rope down, you come up after me. Then we'll sneak in through her chimney and catch Meany robot-handed. A-okay, Wally. Oh, would you hurry up?
Oh, my lucky day. I think we made some noise with that.
Accidents happen, neighbors, but I'll clean it up. Then I think I'll go clean up every house on the block.
Oh!
It's only a matter of time before everyone on the block is turned into robots.
We have to go set up this electromagnet and zap her circuits good, yeah? This will be the power source.
Once we plug the wires in, it'll magnetize the whole upstairs of the house. We
My belt buckle. Get me down, Woodpecker.
This home is a happy home. This home is a happy home. This home is a...
Oh,
Ooh, she's coming.
what do we do? What do we do? The robot's gonna get us good, yeah. Oh!
This home is a happy home. This home is a... This home is a mess! How to be a good neighbor, my aching bunions! These self-help books are a load of hooey!
You mean you're not a robot?
I try to better myself, to be a nicer person, but what does it get me? Diddly squat! Ah! How could this home ever be a happy home when I got 2 loons living next to me?
It sure is nice to have the neighborhood back to normal.
Yeah, you said it, Woodpecker. No more robots.
Maybe I ought to burn your houses down. What are you laughing at, bird boy?